Hi, my name is Mara Ahmed. I'm an artist and documentary filmmaker based in Rochester, New York. I make socially conscious films which encourage dialogue by engaging with the other. My films have been broadcast on PBS and screened at international film festivals, most recently in Dublin. Partition Stories is my first collaboration with another filmmaker. Surbhi is from India. I'm originally from Pakistan. As soon as we met, we started talking about partition. In 1947, when the British left the Indian subcontinent after 200 years of colonial rule, it was hastily divided into a Hindu-majority India and a Muslim-majority Pakistan. That decision led to one of the largest and most violent mass migrations in human history. My family and Surbhi's were both affected by partition. Our film will be personal rather than a sweeping historical account. We want to preserve individual narratives, and we want to ask the question, was sectarian violence at the time of partition the product of religious incompatibility, or was it the result of trying to divide the indivisible? We want to hearken back to a time of coexistence in order to be able to build a better future. Why is this film important for Americans and other people outside of South Asia? The answer is simple. What happened in India in 1947 can be used to understand conflicts around the world in terms of imperial meddling, nationalistic ideas of homogeneity, the dehumanization of minorities, hate crimes, ethnic cleansing, and civil war. As the world becomes more globalized, it's more important than ever to reiterate that cultural diversity is an asset, not a liability. Most of the film has already been shot in India and Pakistan. It will be filled with stunning animation, poetry, and music. We are now in the process of editing the film. You can help us complete this film in 2014. First of all, by supporting it. Every dollar counts, and it will make you a partner in this project in many rewarding ways. Secondly, you can help us spread the word by sharing this campaign with your family, friends, and media connections. Finally, we want you to become involved in Partition Stories by telling us your stories, your experiences of dislocation, which we will share on our blog. Thank you for your support. We look forward to hearing from you and working with you. Thank you.